Subscribe my channel. iPhone 5 seconds power not working. Now try to on the power. But didn't working. Now we can solve and probe 100% sure. Need a 5 voltage adapter. Need a charger cable. Connect the phone. Not working or charging. Try to on the phone with unconnected charger. Screwdriver only for iPhone. Remove the pins. It's twizer. Open the display, be carefully, it's may broken. Remove all ribbon connector from motherboard, be carefully. It is 5 voltage charger convector. Remove the battery from motherboard. Find the identify plus and minus point and from battery connectors. It's multimeter for voltage. The state of the 20 volt is the multimeter. Find the plus and minus point from battery. Connect the point with 5 voltage connector. Connect the point with 5 voltage connector. Connect the 5 voltage charger. Connect the 5 voltage charger and wait 5 minutes. Now start the phone. All done and properly working the iPhone 5 seconds. Thanks for watching my video. And subscribe my channel.